Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create this stylish image slider that combines images and text into a card-like layout. You will learn how to set up the structure, style it for a clean, modern look, and add the functionality to make it slide smoothly. This design is perfect for showcasing products, team members, or portfolio pieces. So let's dive right in. Now let's check out how this slider adjusts across different. As you can see on larger screens, we have a spacious, fully visible layout that shows the text and the image. As you can see on larger screen, we have a spacious, fully visible layout that shows the text and images on top of each other. And this is a 3-column layout. Now we will shrink the size and see what it looks like on the smaller sizes. Now it became 2-column layout, and if we shrink it further, finally on a mobile view, the slider transforms into a single column layout to ensure everything stays clear and accessible. Each card, when we slide them, looks beautiful and smooth slide. So whether you are on a desktop, tablet, or mobile device, this slider stays clean and responsive, and also functional. Alright, now that we have seen how it looks, let's jump into VS Code and start building this responsive image slider. Alright, here we are in VS Code on the right side, and on the left we have our browser open to see our changes live as we code. To get started, let's quickly go over our setup. I have a basic folder structure with the main index.html file. Also have package.json, but we will discuss it later. Then we have 3 folders: assets, CSS, and SAS. So what are these? Assets have images for our project, and CSS has the main.css file, which we will discuss a little bit later. Then we have SAS. SAS also contains another folder which is abstract. It has a functions.scss and here main.scss. So what is this SCSS? In case you don't know, this is called CSS preprocessor. So what it does, it compiles the code into main.css. Here all the CSS compiled from here. So now what this functions does, it converts the pixel values into rem. It's a function because SCSS provides lots of features. Functions is one of them, so we can create functions and use them in our main.scss file. And this CSS we are importing in the index.html, linking it here. Yeah, this is our simple folder structure. And alright, now that we are set up, let's dive straight into the code. I have added some boilerplate code in this main.scss file. So what we have here, we have this use functions, which is I'm importing from this abstract folder. This function, what it does, it converts the pixel values into rem or m. These are functions, SAS functions. Now then we have import. We are importing the Google fonts. You can get them from Google fonts. Then we are setting some color variables, then a shadow. We might change these later, but these are the boilerplate code. A simple reset, then providing a fluid font size. This is the font size using clamp here, and this is body, applying the font family to it, and then image with max width 100 and display block. So these are the boilerplate code. Now we will go to the index.html and write our HTML. What I like to do is I like to write all my HTML first, then I move on to the CSS. So I can see where I can apply all the utility classes if needed. So stay continued.